मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। लेसन 7 सेइंग विदाउट स्पीकिंग के थर्ड पार्ट में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे कि कैसे एक्शन से हम लोग को कई बातें पता चल जाती हैं। इवन चिल्ड्रन जो बोल नहीं पाते हैं, जो बेबीज़, बट दे एक्सप्रेस देमसेल्व्स। आवर आईज टेल अ लॉट. Small children tell a lot through their face and hands. Even before they learn to speak, they understand a lot too. You see in this picture, a boy is crying for milk. A छोटा सा बेबी है, दूध के लिए रो रहा है, दूध की तरफ हाथ भी बढ़ाया हुआ है. From this picture we understand that the child is crying for milk. The baby is hungry. So from the picture, from the action, we understand that the baby is hungry. Now let us talk about some more pictures. In this picture, you see in the first picture, you see a boy is giving milk to a lamb. जो बकरी का बच्चा होता है, lamb, उसको boy is giving milk. It means he is showing kindness. He is showing kindness to the lamb. In the second picture, you see an old man is yawning. It means he is feeling sleepy. The action shows that the old man wants to sleep. In the third picture, you see a boy and a girl. They are so happy. So they are dancing. It shows they are very happy. The action shows happiness. In the fourth picture, you see a girl has put all her fingers in her mouth and her eyes are so wide. It shows that she is so much scared. The picture shows that the girl is scared. In this picture, fifth picture, you see this boy has put his head on the table and he is sleeping. Sometimes you people also feel sleepy in the class. And in the last picture, this man is so angry. Just look at his face. It shows the anger on his face. These are the pictures and their expressions. In the same way, I have given some pictures to you, and by the actions and expressions, just tell me what they mean. I have given you the option of words also. The words are written below. नीचे शब्द भी दिए हैं. इनके actions देखो and just write in front of them. Draw these pictures and write the correct action in front of that picture. Now your homework. Homework is from page 48-49 of your book. In the first picture you see this is Aftab. His favorite toy has fallen down and broken. He is sad. How will his face look? आफ्ताब की टॉय टूट गई है. So he is sad. उसका फेस कैसा लगेगा, ऐसा आप ड्रॉ करिए. In this picture, Julie, her little sister was born just yesterday. She is very excited. How will her face look? घर में नया मेहमान आया है, छोटी सी बहन आई है, तो शी इज़ वेरी मच एक्साइटेड. तो उसका फेस किस तरह का लगेगा, उसके फेस पे बनाओ कि कैसा लगेगा उसको. Now this is Yamini's mother. Today while Yamini was taking out the bottle of pickle from the kitchen, it fell from her hand and broke. Draw the look on her mother's face. यामिनी का उसके हाथ से अचार की बोतल गिर के टूट गई, तो यामिनी की मम्मी का फेस कैसा हो जाएगा? एंग्री का होगा, कैसा होगा, या सैड का होगा, या कैसा होगा, आप बनाइए. Then in the last picture, this girl is Rihanna. She is very much scared of dogs. Suddenly a dog came in front of her. हाउ विल रेहानाज फेस लुक? वो उसको डॉग से बहुत डर लगता है और अचानक से सामने उसके एक डॉग आ गया, तो उसका चेहरा कैसा लगेगा? वैसा आप चित्र बनाइए। ये तो हो गया आपका क्लास वर्क। नहीं, क्लास वर्क नहीं है, ये है आपका होमवर्क। इसको अच्छे से करके और मुझे भेजिए। थैंक यू।